In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Venmo on your iPhone, an essential guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and ensure you have this handy app ready to make quick and easy transactions. First, we'll start by downloading and installing the Venmo app on your iPhone. Begin by opening the App Store. Next, tap the Search tab and type Venmo into the search bar. Look for the official Venmo app by Venmo Inc. You'll recognize it easily. Once you find it, tap on the Get or Install button. This should start the download process for the latest version available, which, as of July 2025, is version 10.7.0. After the installation is complete, tap to open the app. With the app open, let's move on to creating your Venmo account. Upon launching the app, you'll notice options such as sign up or get started. Tap on one of them to begin. You will then be prompted to fill in some necessary details, including your email address, phone number, and a secure password. After submitting this information, Venmo will send you a verification code either by SMS or email. Enter this code to confirm your account. Next, you'll be given the choice between creating a personal or business account depending on your needs. Choose accordingly, then accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Now that your account is ready, it's time to link a bank account, debit, or credit card. This step is crucial for enabling transactions. Navigate to the app settings by tapping on the gear icon. From there, go to Payment Methods and select Add a Bank or Card. If you choose to link a bank account, Venmo might use a service like Plaid to securely link your bank account automatically. Alternatively, you can manually input your bank routing and account numbers. If you're adding a debit or credit card instead, choose Add a Card and enter the necessary card details, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. For enhanced features and limits, you might need to verify your identity. This process may require submitting your social security number or ITN, date of birth, and potentially a photo of your ID. Keep an eye out for approval from Venmo. Additionally, some business profile features might necessitate a beneficial owner verification. Let's enhance our security settings. It's advisable to set up a passcode or enable Face ID or Touch ID, making your account safer for sending money or accessing funds. Finally, explore other settings and tips. Adjust your privacy settings if you prefer a private transaction feed rather than Venmo's social default. Enable push or email notifications to stay informed about your account activity. You might also be able to link your Venmo card to Apple Wallet for tap-to-pay convenience. Be mindful that while Venmo offers scheduling features, some users have reported issues. We've now covered the essential steps to setting up Venmo on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.